I want to start off with this C8 Corvette. It was hit in the front. It looks like pretty crazy damage, but these sell for a ridiculous amount of money. I think this one would sell for over 50 grand for sure, but it hasn't sold yet, so I can't tell for sure. On the side, no damage, just the tire looks a little bit flat, and then some damage on the rear bumper cover. In the back, there's virtually no damage, and then on this side, no damage either. It is taped off. I don't want to take the tape off since I don't intend on purchasing this car. I'll just put a picture of the interior up. What do you guys think? Is this one repairable? Let me know down in the comments. So this gray one didn't sell yet, but since you guys asked last video, I will be giving you some examples of similar cars that sold. This first blue one sold for $51,000. Rear end hit, the front end has minor damage. This second example is essentially a parts car, completely destroyed. Pretty much the only thing that survived is probably the engine. This one sold for $25,250. And the third example I found, complete ripoff. This one sold for $85,000. Very minor damage, but essentially the same price as a brand new